Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit Pace and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch by pressing the side button right here. Then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can swipe right or left to scroll through the list. Oh, my bad. Let's just go back. Scroll through the list and just find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it. For example, this one. Like this. You can also customize some of them by tapping this customize button. And here you can change the background by swiping up and down on the screen. And once you're done, just tap save. Okay, you can also change the watch face by using the phone app. Let's take our phone right here. Open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, tap on Profile. Then select Amazfit Pace. Here tap on Select Watch Face. Let's wait until it's done refreshing. Let's try again. Keep trying until it's gonna catch on. I don't know why it does that, but let's try again. Oh, this time it worked. Okay, so let's scroll through the list of watch faces right here, find the one you like, and tap on it to apply it. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.